Hey everyone, the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9 iAura Edition, unveiled at MWC 2025, represents a significant leap forward in the realm of high-performance laptops, blending cutting-edge AI capabilities, robust hardware, and advanced display technology. This device is designed to cater to creative professionals and power users who demand top-tier performance and versatility. At its core, the Yoga Pro 9 iAura Edition is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 285H Arrow Lake H CPU, paired with the Nvidia GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU, ensuring seamless handling of demanding tasks, whether for gaming, content creation, or multitasking. The inclusion of up to 64 gigs of LPDDR5X 7467 RAM and 1 terabyte of PCIe NVMe storage further solidifies its position as a powerhouse. One of the standout features of the Yoga Pro 9 iAura Edition is its 16-inch 3.2K PureSight Pro Dual OLED display. With a resolution of 3200 by 2000 pixels and a peak brightness of 1600 nits, the screen delivers stunning visuals with exceptional clarity and vibrancy. It supports VESA HDR True Black 1000 and Dolby Vision HDR, making it ideal for HDR content creation and consumption. The display covers a wide range of color spaces, including sRGB, Display P3, and Adobe RGB, ensuring accurate color reproduction for creative work. Additionally, the touchscreen option adds a layer of interactivity, appealing to users who prefer a hands-on approach. AI integration is a key highlight of the Yoga Pro 9 iAura Edition, positioning it as a co-pilot plus PC. The laptop leverages AI to enhance productivity and creativity, particularly in photo, video, and audio editing workflows. While the full potential of these AI capabilities depends on further development by Lenovo, the inclusion of proprietary tools like Lenovo Creator Zone and Lenovo X-Power demonstrates the company's commitment to optimizing performance and cooling. With a combined CPU and GPU TDP of 130 watts, the laptop ensures efficient thermal management, enabling sustained performance during intensive tasks. The audio experience is equally impressive, thanks to a 6-speaker Dolby Atmos system comprising two 2-watt tweeters and 4 2-watt woofers, delivering immersive sound quality. The 5-megapixels webcam enhances video conferencing with sharp, detailed visuals, making it a great choice for remote work or virtual meetings. Connectivity options are extensive, featuring Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 2 USB 4 Type-C ports, 1 HDMI 2.1 port, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, an SD card reader, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. The 84 watt-hour battery ensures all-day productivity, rounding out the package. Set to launch in June 2025 with a starting price of €1,699, the Yoga Pro 9 iAura Edition will be available in Tidal Teal and Luna Gray color options. Its combination of premium design, top-notch performance, and AI-driven features makes it a compelling choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking a high-end laptop that excels in both creativity and productivity. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.